Hello everybody, Zachary Fruling, aka Cozy Azeroth here. I'm spending a little time this morning working on a kind of a weird program idea I had for a retro TI-99 for a newsreader slash news ticker program, like a retro news network program. I'm hard at work at it. I took a stab at it already, but I decided I wanted to revise my approach. So I'm working on creating a new version of something I'd created the other day. The idea is that I'll use a Python script to scrape news headlines from various sources, RSS feeds probably, aggregate those into multiple text files for different news categories, and then have Classic 99, the TI-99 4A emulator, read the text files and present them as if it were a retro news program. That's the idea. So, I was originally going to do all the headlines in one file, but I think I'm going to do it in multiple files now, and that is what I'm working on presently. Let's see here. That's right. I need to this code that I wrote the other day is great as is, so I need to grab this. Get next entry. I want the loop there. And I've been doing some programming recently in Stencil on our Frog Gone Fishing game, so I've got to do a little gestalt shift to get back into basic mode here. Okay, so each headline I could have up to 4 lines. Lines are pretty short and basic, only 28 characters wide, so long headlines have to be broken apart. Let's see, read article. Oops. Display article. I'm going to pull up my extended basic manual real quick. Give me a second. Thank goodness it's on the Internet Archive. Very cool. Okay. I'm going to consolidate this a little bit. I just want to get it working, and then I'll work on optimizing the code. Okay. Let's see. The length of line 1. Let's see, the header goes up to line 4, so let's do this on line 6. Row 3, the position is going to be let's see. Oh, wait, row. We want the row to be 6. Let me think here. I'm trying to come up with a way for it to kind of type one character at a time. I have to look back at my Socrates file and remember how I did that. I think we want the length of line one minus A. Oh, then we need to grab the character. Oh yeah, here we go. So string expression dot position dot length. Yeah, so we need to get the string. So no, we don't want that yet. I'll put it down here for a minute. Character equals string segment. Oh, that's right, gotta use the $sign there. String segment of line 1 string dot position. So the position will be where we are in the loop, so A, and the length is just going to be 1 because we're going to do one character at a time. There we go. Like I say, we're going to optimize this in a little bit. So we got row, column. I'm going to look up the character code. Oh, that's right, we need to get the character code. Character code is remember which command does that. String manipulation commands here. CHR string, I think. Returns the character corresponding to the ASCII character code specified by the numeric expression. That's not exactly what we want. Worst case, I'll open up my Socrates program. I solved this problem before, I just don't remember how I did it. Well, actually, I don't even need to do that. That already just grabbed it. Yeah, we don't need to do that all. We just have the string segment. Yeah, so we don't need the ASCII character codes. That's totally unnecessary. Except we do, because we have to plug in the ASCII code here. Actually, we don't. We can just... oh, yeah, I guess we do, huh? When something returns the ASCII code for any given string. You know what, I'm just going to cheat and look at my Socrates program. I forget how I did this. Let's see here. Desktop. Okay, how did we do this in Socrates? Oh, that's it. ASC. Okay, yeah. Right, so we need the ASCII code for that. I don't know how I ever programmed Socrates, frankly. Right, so we just use ASC of character string. One repetition. Next. Okay. think I can do a better job on this. Yeah, I'm going to copy this and do a better job on this. We're going to keep track of the line count. Everything from here we're going to. Okay. Oops. Six, row 7, row 8. Oops. Okay, 62, 0, return. Okay, so for each article, we need to read the article. Actually, first we need to open the file. So 230, go sub 4000. Open file. Start reading the article, go sub 5000. Read headline. Display headline. 260. Next article. Then finally 270. Next category. I need a couple more subroutines here. Delay. For delay equals 1 to 500. Might be too long. Next delay. also need a little garbage cleanup to clean up the to erase the category and erase the article text. So let's see. So 9,000 rem erase category name. Actually, we didn't put the category name on there, did we? Oh yeah, we need to display the category name first. Should we print it just like, yeah, why not? For A equals 1 to length of cat name string. And I think it's just len with no $sign here. Yeah. Call HCHAR. Let's see, we need to check the position here. So I started printing this at line 6, but I think I actually want the headline to be there. So row 6, column 3, ASCII value. Oh, actually, I got to do the string segment. That's right. So, equals string segment of. Okay, every time I use this command, I got to look it up. I never remember it. Segment string expression, so cat name string position A length 1. Let's see, and then call HCHAR. Although I think VCHAR is faster. Row 6, column 3, the ASCII value of character okay, that looks good. Next day, 9050 return 10,000 mark erase category name. Display at well, row 6, column 3. Actually, we just do row 6, column 1. So the space and 32 repetitions. You can improve on this in version 2. Okay, 1, 0, no, 11. erase headline. I want to look at Socrates for just a second here. Okay, so first of all, if we move the category to row 6, we need the headline to be at row 8, 9, 10, 11. Oops. Okay, so let's see what's happening here in our main loop. So every time we change categories, we need to display the headline, the category name, excuse me, 9,000. Go sub 9,000. Display category name. Okay, then we open the file. You okay?
Mhm.
Go ahead.
I just love you.
I love you too. Okay, then we have the delay. Delay. Oops. Go sub. Okay, then we have the next article. Always need to make sure we're printing on a blank headline space, so we need to clear the headline space before we print there. And before we display the category name, we need to make sure that's clear. So 230. sub 10,000. Let's open up Classic 99. Let's see how we're doing on memory usage here. That's weird. What is it not like there? Oh, forgot a few remark statements there. Okay. Why is it beeping at me? Did I forget another one? Oh, yep. Still getting a beep. Why? Okay, I took a screenshot while I was doing that. I couldn't see what the error was that quickly. Let's see what it thinks the error is. Unrecognized character, line 5030. Okay. 5030. Oh, there we go. Thank God for error messages. Oops. This is going to work so much more smoothly than the previous version. Okay, oh yeah, we got a ton of memory. We're good. So now we need to create some text files with some headlines. Give it a try. So let's go to our folder, disk 9. Okay, so copy, paste. Now what were the names of my, we had world.txt. So let's do that first. It's nice that we're not putting the category name and all that junk inside the text file. It just keeps it super simple. shorten this up. Boom. Oh, we need the date. That's right. We'll have to have a we'll have a separate text file to create for the date. Not sure yet. Okay, so headline 1, line 1. Oops. Headline. I can type today. Headline 1, line 2. Headline 1, line 3. Headline 1, line 4. Separator. Let's mix up the length here. Headline 2, line 1. Headline 2, line 2. Separator. Headline 3, line 1. Headline 3, line 2. Headline 3, line 3. And headline 4, line 1. Okay, and that is all. Save. Oh no, we need 5, that's right. Headline 5, line 1. Headline 5, line 2. Headline 5, line 3. Headline 5. So the idea, again, is we're going to use Python to create this text file automatically, and then Classic 99 is going to read these text files. So that's good enough for now. So what we'll do, let's duplicate this, call it the other category names. Save, yeah. Actually, no, we can do, let's just open it back up and just save it manually. Easier. Save as, actually, let's see what's the next category. National. Save as, oops, politics. Save as, business. Science. Technology. Sports. Maybe I should do weather as well. Sports, culture. Nice thing is it'll be easy to add categories if I want. And then my favorite, UAP disclosure. Bring out the tinfoil hats. Okay, I have our text files. So it should, I think, work pretty well, unless I've made some mistakes. Let's load it up. And see how badly we screwed it up. For a very first attempt at rewriting this, I had a previous version working, but it was very rudimentary. Everything was crammed into one text file. It was very rigid. I think this is going to be a bit more flexible. Let's see what we get. Syntax error in 1030. Okay, right off the bat. What did I do? Oh, call. Okay. let's get rid of that for now. That's just the code that keeps the screen from blanking out, and I think it's probably just a syntax error there. Save. So let's paste it in. I'll look into that in a minute. I've never used that feature before. Basically, you keep the screen from blanking out by poking an odd value into a specific memory location. Then the counter that counts up to decide when to blank the screen out only counts in odd even numbers for whatever reason. So you poke an odd number into the value. It doesn't blank the screen ever, supposedly, but it didn't work. So we'll see what I did wrong. File error in 5010. Okay. Why is there a file error? $5,010. Okay, so it must not be opening the file correctly. So what we can do, I tried to be clever here, but I think I don't need to be. I can make this a little more efficient. Let's replace this with a bunch of if-then statements. If category equals 1, then let's see. Actually, hold on one sec here. I think I can do all this on one line, but I think we want world.txt. Oh, that's right. It's got to be some funky. I gotta look at the previous version. It's got to be like the quotes are in the wrong spot, I think. There's the file open thing here. Oh, yeah, okay. DS. Yeah, that works. And comment input. We're not writing to the file. If category equals 2, then all of this. But national 30, if category equals 3, then it is politics.text. Business. Science. Technology. Sports. culture. Yep, culture. And UAP. Just something gratuitously fun and weird. Okay, so we get rid of that line. We gotta renumber everything here. 4100. Okay, then we don't need this file name thing. I think it didn't like that. Okay, let's try it now and see how we did. See if it's reading the data from the file correctly. You can always queue up the old version just to demo it. I see a couple people watching. Hello, how's everyone doing? Thank you for tuning in for a little retro programming. Okay, file error in 5010. Why? Same problem. Maybe it didn't like world.txt.txt. That might be the problem. Nope. That's so weird. I had the previous version working. What is wrong? It's not reading the line. Why not? Input number 1. Don't see any difference. Input number 1, line 1 string. Input number 1, line 1 string. Looks exactly the same. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. Let's get rid of this first of all. This is the old version. It's possible that it doesn't like this on the same. Let's try that. Maybe it didn't like multiple lines on the input, the file read line. What is the problem? We're in the right folder. Never closing the file yet. We need to do that. So find next article, and we close the file. So 270 go sub 7,000. I don't think this is related, but close file. Next category. Oh, hold on here. We didn't renumber all these lines. 220, 230, 240, 250, 260. This is probably a problem. 270, 280, 290, 300. The fun of working in basic line numbers. Okay, let's try this. This might work better. It's fun to try to get a new program running right off the bat. Pretty much faster at catching and fixing the errors, though. Let's see how we did. Okay, well, it ran through. I printed the headline. Not very. I need to do that a little more elegantly, obviously. But then we got a file error in 4020. Let's see exactly what's happening here. Okay, so it looks like it's trying to read the first one and then move on. Oh, wait a minute. Category equals 2. There we go. It's not printing the information from the file. Why not? But it seemed to move on to the second category correctly, so it seems to be reading it. I think. Add value in 6040. Okay, it's printing backward. Why? And the headline was not moving over. So let's look at the display category name first. The category name, I mean. Oh yeah, 3, actually 2 plus A. Let's see if that fixes the headline problem at least, or the category name problem, excuse me. Okay, world news headlines. Okay. Getting there. What is happening with the headline going backward? What did I do? Display article. Oh, I need to, okay, yeah. I need to do two plus A. I don't know what I was thinking there. try that. What was I thinking? Not enough coffee. I'm kind of excited about this weird little project. The idea is that I'm going to have Python scrape some news headlines in these various categories, create these text files, have Classic 99 read these files, and then display them as a kind of retro news ticker display, and maybe stream it on YouTube full time. I can set Python up to automatically do it once an hour or something. Okay, world news headlines. Headline 1, line 1, headline 1, line 2. Okay, there we go. Does it move on to the next category? Oh, okay. Yeah. We got to get rid of the spacer. It's got to read the spacer. And the delay is too long. Actually, it works pretty well, though. Okay, so when we're reading the file information, we then need to input number 1, and we'll just call this spacer, just a placeholder to read the spacer, and then we'll return. And then the delay is way too long. Let's do 300. Then we can plug in some real headlines here and see how it looks. I haven't written the Python script yet, but that won't be too hard, I think. Oh, why is it getting... Is that an error in the text file? World. Line 1, line 2, line 3. Okay, that's weird. Let's run that again. Not sure what's happening there. Headline 1, line 2, line 3. Why would we be getting line 3 there? What is going wrong? Okay, read line 1, set the line count to 1. And then we read line 2. If line 2 is a spacer, then we set line 2 to blank, line 3 to blank, line 4 to blank. Otherwise, it should be okay. Line 3, set line 3 to read line 3. If line 3 is spacer, then line 3 is blank, line 4 is blank. Otherwise, again, increment the line count number. Then we read line 4. If line 4 is a spacer, then line 4 is blank. Otherwise, increment the line count. Here's the problem. We're just displaying the wrong line. Line 4. Let's see if it changes category correctly after rotating through all 5 headlines. We'll make this look better here in a minute. IO error 25 in 5070. 5070. What are we trying to do? 5070. And where headline 3, line 3. Okay, what happened there? Let's run it again. Okay, so it's handling headline 1 okay. Weird. Why is it going right to headline 3, line 3? Oh, I think I know. I think I know. Look at the old version. Oh, maybe not. That's so weird. I don't know what's going on there. So no matter what, we're reading the spacer. What's the error? IO error 25. I don't see anything odd in the data file. IO error 25 and 57. It's so weird that it's running through the first two categories, the first two headlines fine, and then having a problem on the third headline. I don't see any difference. Line 2 is a spacer. Let's set line 2 to blank. Line 3 is blank. Line 4 is blank. Otherwise, increment the line count. line 3. Line 3 is a spacer. Set line 3 to blank, set line 4 to blank. Otherwise, increment the line count. Line count equals line count plus 1. Read line 4. Line 4 is a spacer, then line 4 is blank. Otherwise, increment the line count. Line count equals line count plus 1. And then finally read the last spacer. Oh, wait. We need to return. Let's try this. We're not escaping out of this. This subroutine. We need some escapes. Now it should work, I think. There we go. Headline 4, 25 and 50, 90. Oh, it doesn't like the return on the, yeah. So 50, 100, return. It just doesn't seem to like other statements on the L input lines for whatever reason. Now it should work. Oh, headline 4, line 1. Why doesn't it like that? Run it again so we can figure out what's happening. So they're all the correct lines and they're showing up in the same right position. Delay, headline 2. Why is it not moving on to headline 5? going to be a little tedious. So we can figure out what's going on here. On headline 2. Now we're on headline 3. Kind of see it printing in the middle of the, like right up here, you can see it printing. Okay, headline 4. Okay, so it's going into the delay, okay. Okay, 310.
Hi, honey. Good morning.
Good morning.
How did you sleep?
I slept good.
Good. How are you feeling?
I felt good.
Good. Your hair's still so cute.
Thank you.
Did you curl it?
I dreamed of it last night.
Okay, because I was like, it's really wavy.
I know.
I love
I
it.
love it.
I saw you got new shampoo.
Oh yeah.
What kind? Is that all in French?
Yeah, there's some in French. It doesn't. Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Where'd you get it?
I got it on Amazon.
Did you
That's
see
like
it somewhere?
yeah. I was like looking at like good shampoo. It is a little pricey, but that's okay.
Okay.
It works well. Like my hair's so soft.
That's
I love it.
that's what you need.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Okay, honey. Well, good.
I forgot to put a spacer at the end here. That's probably the problem. Ooh, let's turn off the trace. Headline 411. Why doesn't it like that? I think let's turn trace back on and let's turn CPU throttling on here so we can quickly see what the problem is. So we get to 5,000. Read the article. I just don't understand why it's having trouble after the fourth headline. Okay, we read line 1. It seems to be getting all the way to the end here. Read line 1. I mean, if you take a look right here, it's gone through the delay. We go up to line 310. Next article. It sends us back up to 270. Read the headline, which it seems to be doing. One moment. Our favorite cross-stitch patterns. Lots of fun. Line 4, line 1. Just don't see a problem. Read line 1. Line count is 1. Read line 2. Line 2 is blank, or spacer. Let's set line 2 to blank, line 3 to blank, line 4 to blank. Return, get out of the subroutine. Otherwise, increment line count. L input number 1. Line 3. So line 3 is a spacer. Then line 3 is blank, line 4 is blank. Return. Input line 4. It's right here that's causing a problem. But it's so weird because it's only seems to be having a problem. I wonder what happens if I get rid of these 3 headlines here, 3 lines here. Will we end up with the same problem? Let's untrace. Let's turn off the CPU throttling. Okay, that's so weird. It didn't have a problem with the one line here, only here. extra spaces after these spacers? No. Time for a little chat GPT help, which I don't try to do too often. Oops. Hmm. So I'm adding the spacer after every article. Okay. Let's try it all again. Let's paste the code in fresh. It's a pretty elegant little program on the whole, though. Room for improvement, but at least we're making it work.
Sorry, Dinah.
Okay, I think we fixed it. One thing I noticed we need to, when we clear the category name, we also need to clear the headline text, erase headline. So go sub 11,000. Clear headline. Oh, clear category name. Yeah, right here. So 240. Go sub 11,000. Clear headline. Oops. You're sighing over there. You okay?
Hold up.
You're sighing over there. You okay?
Oh no, I just know.
Oh. Oops. I think we fixed it. Let's paste this in and see how we did. And we can start working on the Python script to scrape the headlines, which I will need ChatGPT's help for, because I don't know Python all that well, and especially the add-on that parses the RSS feeds. Okay, pretty cool. Let's make a couple aesthetic changes here. Let me look at it real quick.
It is hot.
What?
I'm going to take my lunch break.
Oh, okay.
I will run to the store, get some juice because I'm almost out. So
Yeah, you mentioned you're going to do that.
Not be good. I know you're
You're on camera here, yeah.
busy. I'm on camera.
We're shooting. Well, not on camera.
Oh, okay,
but
my voice
off
is-
camera. You'll be on camera when you walk by.
Get a full glance of my fat.
Oh, stuff and nonsense. Give me a break.
You know, you're on camera and you're streaming, but we didn't talk about dinner. Should we just do eggs again
Sure.
and toast?
Yeah.
Good.
Sounds like a plan.
Okay. So then I would just
Do
go
anything with
some
the
juice.
eggs?
No. Do you?
I don't know. I could always go with sausage or bacon or something, but
I know that sausage.
we could try some bacon in the cast iron skillet as well. That sausage is pretty good though.
That sausage is so good.
You can try a different one, sage sausage, or something.
Well, I don't know because I'm just going to Bel Air, so I don't. Well,
What?
you got right to Walmart. It'd be cheaper. I'll see what. I know they had a. No, they have like the maple. Do you like the maple?
Not particularly.
Yeah, I don't either. I'll see what
I
they
mean, I
have.
don't mind it. I mean,
I'll see what they have. I don't think they have a good selection. Okay, I love you.
I love you too.
I'll be right back.
Okay, remember, I love you.
I love you.
Make out on camera here. I love you.
Enjoy.
I'll see you just a little bit, my love. Okay, so I think what we want to do, let's get display at 2:1 version 1.0. Right now, let's just get the. I don't know what we're going to have in the footer. Let's do this at 5:6. Let's do the category on line 9. And that means the headline will be at 11, 12, 13, 14. So 11, 12, 13, 14. And the deleter needs to be at 11, 12, 13, and 14. Let's see how that looks.
Oh, no. I said for a video, and it's 4. Oh my god. And that was the last time proper May 2024. Wow. So I'm wondering though, if it's like when we reaching out to them, it's just like this lot, that would be a week cover. So I'm wondering if it's really hard to like sad and like one family for
Try to make version 1 of this as polished as I can make it. It's working pretty well though. I just need to create those Python scripts to scrape the headlines. Which I definitely need ChatGPT's help for. I think what I'm going to do, let's bump everything down a little bit. Let's put the category name 1 more down. So 10, 10. And it'll be 12, 13, 14, 15. And 12, 13, 14, 15. Just give everything a little breathing room on the screen here. So this is all going to fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32. No, it's not going to fit. What I'm going to do then, let's paste this in. First of all, I just want to run the whole thing with the CPU throttling on just to make sure that it completes the loop okay and goes back to the original category. Oh, actually, CPU overdrive is on. Oh, here we go. US news, business, science, technology, sports, return. Oh, yep. Go sub. Wait a minute. Where in 1030? Oh yeah, we need to go back to 350. Go to $140. I think that's the problem. Is it world, US? Wait a minute. World, US. Why are we getting US twice there? That's so weird. So we're looking at US twice. If category equals 3, then cat name string equals political news headlines. Let's see. Oh, I see. 180, 190, 200. There we go. 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300, 310, 320. Skip the line there. There we go. Now let's try this. Oh, except we're not getting our headlines all of a sudden. What happened? What did I do? Oop. Oh, wait, 330. Wait, was that in the wrong one? Oh, no. Oh, 310. There we go. Save. I don't know what I did there. Typo. The US. Let's call this politics headlines or political headlines. Okay, on the whole, I'm pretty happy with it. Let's run it again. Let's turn the throttling off. Okay, why are we not getting version 1.0 on there? Oh, 2030, 2040, 2050, there we go. Okay. Well, so far it seems to be looping just fine. I think what I'd like to do in the long run is get some graphics for each category, either above right here, down below, off to the side maybe. It can't be off to the side because the text might be longer. Okay, let's shift gears a little bit and work in Python and see if we can figure out how to get one of these scripts working. Now, I'm not a Python expert, and I do not know the first thing about parsing an RSS feed. But I did have a little chat with ChatGPT here. Where was it? Okay. Yeah, right here. Okay, install the RSS reading library. So let's open Python. Where are you, Python? Python 3.14. There we go. Okay, pip install feed parser. I don't know the first thing about what that means. Okay. Let's try this. Invalid syntax. Okay. Oh, not the Python interpreter. This is the Python interpreter. We want the... Okay, I don't know how to do this. Command prompt. Oh, okay, that worked. Installed feed parser. Okay. Cool. Create the Python script. Create a new file. And we're going to put this in the same folder here. Hello. Lost my place. There we go. News-test.py. Okay, yeah, we're not gonna mess with the files we just created. Let's try news-test.py. Okay. Save as news-test.py. Save. Okay. Now put all of this. Hello. Put all of this in the file. We're going to modify this a little bit. So we're going to create 9 files, not just one. Okay, let's see what's happening here. So category equals, this is to test category. Okay, before I do that, save. Let's get ChatGPT to help us here. Yeah, this is exactly what we want. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Again, I'm not a Python expert, so we are importing feed parser. Text wrap must be a function that automatically wraps long text, so that's cool. Output file news.txt, that's fine, because that was our test file from the other version. number of headlines 5, line width 28, max lines 4. It's nice that those are variables, so we can change those if we ever want to refine this a bit. The script is going to say print downloading news. That's fine. This is not going to be in the TI. This is going to be in Python. Okay, we're going to parse the URL for the RSS feed, which is a variable, which is cool. Print. Okay, so what's it going to do? Get the title. Okay, so it's going to give us the max number of lines. It's going to wrap them to 28 characters. It's going to print the divider. That's awesome. And that's all it's going to do. So, and I plugged in a, let's just make sure this RSS feed really works. I think this is one I plugged in earlier. Yep. Okay, so perfect. So let's paste all of this in. Actually, what does it say here? One thing I changed from the earlier video, I would not truncate headlines at 4 lines quite so casually. Right now, it means if a headline is 120 characters long, Python simply throws away everything after line 4. You can have Python intelligently shorten those titles. Yeah, let's worry about that in a minute here. Let's paste this in. Okay, come over to our Python file. Oh, it's trying to run the script. Oops. Okay, well, that's okay. We want to edit this. Edit in Notepad. We don't want to run it. We want to edit it. Save. Okay. Oh, where did it put it? Where does it think it's putting the file? Let's okay, so let's
Are we watching this one already? Oh, okay, because normally, that's just like,
Oop. in Notepad. Let's okay. Save. Okay, so now when we run that script, it should replace this news.txt file right here, which is fine. And it did. Let's see how we did. Oh my God, that's amazing. Look at that. I love it. I love it. This is so perfect. So now we can create. Okay. This is working. I love it. Okay. So let's duplicate this. Copy, paste.
And he also included that it's very clear that that is on it. And they have multiple housewives, multiple big brothers, and multiple
Okay.
survivors. But
So I think what we can do, maybe we'll just get ChatGPT to do this for us.
It's not a peacock show, so it's going to be on Bravo. So that means that there is going to be censored. We're not be able to do that because it's on Bravo. I don't think it's no. I'm just stupid. It's just like that. I hated when people do that. Like, there's something on peacock and it's so good.
Let's see, world, national politics. What are our categories here? World, national politics, business, science, technology. Sports, culture, UAP.
So fun, and it was from Bravo for like 2 seasons, and got worse, and now not okay.
This is a much bigger script.
And now it says it's safe to keep off.
Wow, it's giving me the, this is cool. It's giving me the feeds and everything. This is amazing.
I love you.
Okay.
S'mores. Are those one like were with the graham cracker like on the bottom or something? Yes. Yes. You know we're on a date with her. So, I mean, you don't have that. When were you gonna do that? Oh, yeah. I have a feeling. Yeah, so.
Okay, let's look at this before we put it in. Here's the directory. Number of headlines, line width, max lines. World, national. Okay, so this is fine. UAP. Create category.
I think it was a little misty piece of hair, but
Okay, I think it's literally that simple. It's just gonna loop through all mine categories, I think. Okay, so edit. This is so cool. It's amazing what you can do with. I would love to be able to do this by hand, and I certainly could. I'm just not taking the time to do it. I just want to get this cool project working. Save. Okay, so if this works, it should overwrite my test files here.
I would be shocked if you did. I know.
Oh my god, look, it worked. Now when we run the program. Oh my god, look at this. Okay, hold on. let's slow it down.
You might want to get more. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. This. And these are like
World news headlines. Collapsed glacier likely caused devastating Nepal-Tibet floods, scientists say. What we know about deadly Nepal-Tibet floods. Well, it's not a good title.
Right?
It was so funny because I
Have
just
you
saw.
made them today or is that like the so
Oh, okay.
and then people go back after we leave? Yeah. Okay, now is there anyone home? So then they can rush.
Why are we? Oh, we want. Yeah. I was like, what are we getting that apostrophe for? Well, we should make a CIA boss a secret trip to Moscow. Oh my God, this is totally working. Oh, bad argument in 6220. What happened there? 6220.
Okay, honey. Well, yum. I'm excited. I just saw a reel yesterday that they literally were making s'mores cookies.
Oh my God.
And it says mother and daughter who.
Okay, it's under U.S. News. Let's see what's happening in that file. So national.
People tell them what to make. And it almost always comes out. Oh, yeah. Because Aubrey and I saw a video that they're like, oh, make pretzel bites out of that.
Oh, yeah.
Well, no. Well, some of them were alcohol, most of them were not, because it said, Aubrey Austin. I think it's both. She didn't let it like.
Why are we getting a bad argument?
Baking soda bath to kind of have them
Yeah.
pump up.
Yeah.
You put them in, she take them out in like 2 seconds. Like, don't you're not supposed to. Like, this supposed to be, more time. But then I think I put too much baking soda in it because they tasted
Okay.
soda. So that's like, so they got to the point where like we threw most of them. Well, no, she took them.
Oh,
I was gonna throw them away, but she's like, no, we're gonna throw them.
they won't like
And
it.
they may not like it because it did not.
Wait, do we need more baking soda? Is that what you said?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, we have baking powder, but we have plenty of baking soda.
Oh, there should be a length of line for it. That's the problem.
So definitely that. Okay. So pretty much
It's funny, we haven't encountered that issue yet.
everything.
Okay.
Yeah. We don't need
Let's
eggs,
paste this
but we're
back
running
in.
low on eggs, so we have flour. Yeah, we have, yeah, because remember you bought it.
I did.
All right, this should fix it. Let's turn the CPU throttling on just to make sure we're not getting any weird issues. Are you home, my love? Did I hear you come in?
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Okay, sweetheart.
I'll be there.
Okay, I love you. What, Mama?
I heard you come in.
Oh.
Let me,
I love you.
I'll do something cool.
Yeah, let me.
I'm looking forward to the sage sausage. That'll be fun.
Me too. Yeah, because I thought I heard you say that, and I'm like, oh, I've never heard of that. And then
It's just like a breakfast sausage. Sage is a breakfasty kind of flavor.
Yeah, but then I'm like, oh, it's right there next to the maple.
It'll just taste like breakfast sausage. Anyways, so I created with the help of ChatGPT, I created a Python script that automatically scrapes news files, creates my text files, and now watch. These are up to the minute headlines here.
Oh,
Running on an old computer.
cool. That's cool.
I can't believe it works.
That's amazing.
So what I can do is I can have that set my computer to automatically run that script once an hour.
That's awesome.
Grab the new headlines, and then it would should automatically update the headlines as this runs in real time at once an hour.
That's cool, my love.
Interesting, huh?
Yeah. God, that's so sad about the flood in Nepal.
Mm-hmm.
I just saw the headline right there saying
Yeah.
that loved ones, we want them back. I'm like, oh, if they're missing, I'm so sorry. They're most likely not coming home.
And it automatically changes categories here. Political headlines. It goes through 5 headlines in each category, then changes the category.
Very cool.
Politics headlines. It's so weird to see modern people's names on this old computer system.
I know.
So it's an interesting cognitive dissonance. Now I need to come up with a little graphic for each category, like politics, a little politics graphic, a science graphic, a little whatever.
Like a little science, like a little beaker.
Yeah, exactly. I'll have Dylan work on that.
Oh yeah, he'll knock that out of the park.
He will. Plug-in solar panels are coming to a shop near you.
Miranda's planning on making s'mores cookies.
Fun. I wonder if I should put the source down below. BBC, Yahoo. I don't know. Maybe it's not good to explicitly say you're using other companies' news headlines. Michael Sheen hopes for extraordinary reaction to toxic waste documentary. Spurs action. I'm amazed at how this works. It literally works. What I was thinking about doing was laying this out to look like that old Channel 8 ticker. So up here it'd be white text on, or maybe I forget, it was red up top and green down below and blue in the middle or something.
Yeah, I don't. I don't remember.
I've got a photograph of it actually of my old TV. Yeah, but I have a little photograph of Channel 8 on our old TV.
Oh wow!
So I need to look at that and probably put the top in, red and the bottom in green and the middle in blue and white text.
Very cool.
If I can figure out how to do that. I love you, my love.
I love you too, my love.
You okay?
Hmm?
Okay. You want me to help you? I can take a break here and help you.
Sure, if you want to.
Okay, I think I will take a break, and I'll be back with part 2 or some game programming streaming a little bit later. In the meantime, we have a working version of our TI-99 for a news network, version 1.0, with some visual improvements coming up and some performance improvements coming up. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching if you're still watching, and I'll be back a little later. Thanks.